Are you looking for the best carports? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best carports on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jamfly 12 by 20 foot heavy-duty carport. The Jamfly heavy-duty carport offers exceptional protection for your vehicles with its robust galvanized steel frame, which is both sunproof and waterproof. This means you can confidently shield your cars, trucks, or boats from harsh weather conditions like rain and snow. The added rubber trim around the roof edges enhances safety, preventing scratches and injuries. Its reinforced base ensures stability on various surfaces, making it a reliable choice for any outdoor setting. Additionally, the spacious design allows for storing bikes and lawn tools, or even hosting outdoor events, providing versatility and convenience for your needs. What we like: durable galvanized steel construction, enhanced safety features, versatile storage options, stable on various surfaces. Number 2. Jamfly 12 by 20 foot heavy-duty carport. Jamfly Carport 12 by 20 feet is a versatile portable garage perfect for your vehicles, boats, and outdoor events. With removable sidewalls and doors, you can customize it for various needs. The roll-up ventilation windows help with airflow and moisture control, while the sturdy steel frame and weatherproof canopy protect against all elements. Easy assembly without extra tools makes it convenient for quick setup by 2 to 3 adults. Enjoy the convenience of a spacious and durable carport for your storage or event needs. What we like: removable sidewalls and doors, heavy-duty rust-resistant steel frame, weatherproof canopy. Number 3. Benass 20 by 20 heavy-duty carport. The Benass heavy-duty carport is built to withstand all weather conditions. With a robust frame made of powder-coated steel and a galvanized steel roof, it offers superior protection for your vehicles. You can feel confident during storms, as it can endure winds of up to 120 miles per hour and heavy snowfall. The carport's waterproof design features overlapping roof panels and additional ceiling elements, ensuring that your property remains safe from rain and snow. Plus, with 8 anchor stakes included, you can easily secure it for long-term use. What we like: all-weather protection, heavy-duty construction, waterproof design, easy installation. Number 4. Shintenchi 12 by 20 foot heavy-duty carport. The Shintenchi heavy-duty carport is designed to provide exceptional protection for your vehicles and outdoor equipment. With its sturdy galvanized steel roof and frame, it ensures durability and resistance against rust and harsh weather. This carport's spacious design covers an area of 10 by 15 feet, making it ideal for cars, boats, and tools. The reinforced base adds stability, while the pitched roof features advanced sealing to prevent leaks, keeping your belongings safe from rain and wind. Additionally, thoughtful safety features like soft rubber strips at the edges help protect you and extend the carport's lifespan. What we like: durable galvanized steel construction, spacious coverage area, stable base design, effective leak protection. Number 5. AirWire 12 feet by 20 feet portable garage. The AirWire portable carport offers a robust solution for protecting your vehicles from the elements. Constructed from durable polyethylene, it shields your car from rain and harmful UV rays. The heavy-duty metal poles ensure stability, while ground stakes and cables provide additional security. You will appreciate the 4 roll-up windows that enhance airflow, keeping the space well ventilated. The unique side-opening door allows for easy access and ventilation, making it convenient for everyday use. With ample space for various vehicles, this carport also serves well for outdoor events or gatherings. What we like: durable weather protection, excellent ventilation, easy access, quick installation.